In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the ChatGPT widget to the home screen on a Huawei Mate 20X. If you want quicker access to ChatGPT for everyday questions, writing help, or general AI conversations, adding the widget to your home screen is a simple and convenient option. Once it's in place, you can open ChatGPT much faster without needing to search through your apps every time. To get started, go to your Huawei Mate 20X home screen. Make sure you're on a clear area of the screen where there aren't any app icons directly under your finger. Then press and hold on an empty space on the home screen for a moment. This will open the home screen editing view where you can manage things like wallpapers, layouts, and widgets. When that menu appears, tap on the widgets option. This will bring up the list of available widgets installed on your phone. Widgets are small app shortcuts or live panels that give you quick access to features without fully opening the app first. Now scroll through the available widgets until you find the ChatGPT widget. Depending on your device setup and the version of the app, it may appear in different sizes or layouts. Take a moment to look at the options and choose the one that fits your home screen best. A smaller widget may be better if you want to save space, while a larger one can be easier to spot and tap quickly. Once you've chosen the widget size or layout you want, press and hold it, then drag it onto your home screen. As you move it, your phone will show where the widget can be placed. Drop it in a location that feels easy for you to reach, especially if you want to use it often throughout the day. A good spot is usually near the bottom half of the screen or on your main homepage for faster access. After placing the widget, you're all set. Simply tap the ChatGPT widget anytime you want to open it quickly and start an AI conversation. If the widget doesn't appear right away in the list, make sure the ChatGPT app is installed properly and updated to the latest version. That can help ensure the widget option is available, and that's it. You've successfully added the ChatGPT widget to your Huawei Mate 20X home screen, making it easier to launch ChatGPT whenever you need it.